Mga show.
Good morning guys, part 2 po tayo. Pero before po yan, i-announce ko lang, ibalita ko lang po sa lahat na nandito na po kami sa Australia. Nadala ko na po yung pamilya ko. Sorry po sa late update, pero medyo busy lang si Dodong. So yan po guys, antabayanan nyo po yung tour na to. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo. God bless po. God bless everyone.
Selfie. Selfie si Mami Mon. Kami. Oh, kami Mon.
So as you can see guys, nakikita nyo yung background dyan, may mga ferries dyan. So yung mga ferries dyan ay ginagamit nila pang transfer sa different location dyan sa Sydney. So mura lang po yung bayad dyan. Ang importante yung spirit na makasakay is kumbaga mag-i-enjoy naman po kayo dyan sa pagsakay nyan. Kaso nga lang minsan ang tataas ng alon, so tsaka mahangin. So may videos din po ako diyan na pwede kong i-share sa inyo siguro mga next week, so makikita niyo. So papasok po kami diyan papunta po sa Opera House. So yan, lakad-lakad lang kayo diyan po sa part na yan entrance yan papunta po sa sakayan ng ferry. So, dyan po guys, ginagamit din nila yung ferry pang transfer sa different location, as I said earlier. Kasi masyadong traffic dyan sa Sydney guys. So, isang beses pumunta kami dyan na talagang stuck yung bumper to bumper yung traffic. Kaya yung ferry dyan is transportation talaga yung tulong sa kanila dyan. Aside sa beautiful spot na makikita nyo dyan sa mga lugar na pupuntahan nyo, ang point doon is yung congestion, talagang traffic dyan, lalo na pag yung mga holidays dyan, talagang traffic. So very good experience wise good. Tapos yung bayad naman is ayos lang naman, mga $7 balikan, $8 ganyan. So solve na yun.
Opera House. Good morning, everybody. And there, the boat.
Yes.
This one is the boat.
The Opera House.
There, Opera House. And this one is that one.
Mr. Sun is there.
Good morning guys. Again, I'm here at the Sydney Opera House. So that's the iconic Opera House located at Sydney. So it's
Short trivia lang po tayo guys. So yung Opera House na yan was built March 02, 1959. So and then natapos po siya is October 20, kumbaga binuksan yung Opera House na yan to the public October 20, 1973. So yan po guys, almost 24 years din po guys, almost 24 years bago natapos yung pag-build ng iconic structure na yan. It was designed by John Hudson, a Danish architect. So yun po guys.
That's the feeling. So from Novotel, using the train, it's only $2. $2.50. A 10-minute ride using train, the tram. So from our so that's the harbor bridge there, and that's the iconic Opera House here at Cebu. Again guys, so that's the view here at the Opera House, outside the Opera House.
So, sa wakas guys, sa haba-haba po ng pag-aantay, being an OFW, I worked 8 years in Saudi Arabia. After 4 years working here, almost 4 years working here in Australia, nakuha ko rin po sila. Yan po yun. Yan yung price po. Yan yung price po ng pag-aantay ko po. So, sa mga tao dyan, for you guys na medyo na-lost ng hope, huwag po kayong mawala ng pag-asa. May plan si Lord para sa inyo. God bless guys.
Bebe.
Again pa. More pa.
Grabe dito mo. Churay. Lur. Sabi mo, ako na iyo mo.
Sige pa. Sige pa yun.
Wala mo, sinood na mo.
Go, more pa, more.
Wag, nag-artist mo, no?
Sige pa. More. Go pa, more. More. More pa.
Tapos ko na siya. Ginuang mo na yung
That's my little man there. So, yun po guys. Kasama na po kami. Na-enjoy ko na yung pagiging father. For a long time, hindi po kami nagkasama. Salamat Lord. So yung part na yan guys, yun po yung ilalim ng Opera House. So yung area na yan is pathway papunta po sa kabila. So kaya may daanan dyan. So again guys, this iconic structure design, it was designed by Danish architect John Hudson, and it was built March 2, 1959, and finished, and it was opened and witnessed by Queen Elizabeth II last October 20, 1973. Yun po guys, yung opening. So, nandyan po si Queen Elizabeth II nung pagbukas po ng iconic structure na yan. So, yan po yung Sydney Opera House. Yun po guys, hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo dun sa kunting trivia na binigay ko po sa inyo. So hopefully makapunta rin po kayo dito. So after almost a long day, half day na paglalakad, naghanap po kami ng kainan na Pinoy kainan dyan, kaso wala. Tapos dyan po kami napunta kasi naghahanap kami ng rice. Meron ba silang rice pero wala po sa kanilang menu. Kaya po, dyan na lang kami kumain. So, nabigla lang po kami. Mamaya, makikita nyo bakit ako nabigla.
you.
When did you arrive for your Olympia? Your holiday or vacation?
Yes.
You like Sydney so far?
Yeah.
What's up
When
is
did you arrive
down,
in
what's
Sydney?
left is right.
Yesterday.
Oh, when did you?
Yeah.
Chasing stars
It's a
and
beautiful city.
holding you.
Yes.
I can't see the end, but I see it.
Yes.
Very cool dude. You like basketball? Yeah? How do you think
Yan po guys, yan po yung dahilan ba't ako nabigla. Akala ko yung order namin ay maliit lang, malaki pala. So no choice yung mga dodong at inday. Yan po. Wala kaming choice kung di kainin yan. So almost kalahatin yan is tinake away po na lang po namin kasi hindi namin kayang ubusin yan. So yung lasa niya okay naman, pero iba pa rin talaga yung lutong Pinoy. So guys, hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo sa video ko na na-share ko sa inyo. God bless po sa lahat. Hopefully na may naitulong din ako sa mga hindi makapunta rito na makita yung view ng area na to, yung, especially yung Opera House. God bless guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully yung hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe po kayo. I'm back. So hopefully na makapagbahagi pa po ako sa inyo ng marami pang videos na katulad nito. God bless guys. See you.